Python language. Okay. Then later advanced Python we will start. Okay, in this advanced Python programmatically, so logically we are getting knowledge. Okay, we will discuss, and also a lot of third-party modules there, and also free-defined modules there. How we are designing our user-defined modules, all the things I will take care here. Okay, so and the same time how we are interacting to particular database using our particular language. Okay, using Python we are developing application. Using that application, how we are using or how we are interacting this particular database, these all things we will discuss in this module 1 only. Clear? Yes. Next module 2. Okay, nothing but web technologies, guys. So web technologies are nothing but many things there here. HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, jQuery, like that. N number of topics there, guys. Okay, we will discuss these all things. Using these web technologies, so we will develop presentation logics of our application. We will develop the presentation logics of our application. Presentation logics means in our website, whatever we are able to see with our eyes on the browser, so that is called nothing but presentation. For example, Amazon site, Flipkart site, Zomato, Swiggy, you can take it. So www.zomato.com we are typing. So something page will display on the screen in browser, guys. So that is nothing but presentation. That presentation using these web technologies we are developing. Okay. And when we are clicking something button, something action performing, that action is nothing but server side logic. Okay. So to developing that server side logic, this module 1 required, and also this module 2 related required. Okay. So module 3 contains Django framework. So we have the different frameworks. We are going to be discussing here Django framework. Here D silent, guys. So that's why we are calling Django, not DJango. As a student, even if you are calling DJango, no problem. Okay. So in industries, in real-time companies, don't call like DJango. Just call like Django. Understanding? So Django framework and Django REST framework. Simply we are calling REST APIs. REST APIs. So what is API? What is REST API? What is the use of API? These all things we need to get. And it is a very, very important topic. And it is very, very important topic. If you are learning Django framework, 100% you need to be learn REST API also. If you are not learning Django, then no need of this REST API also. Understanding the point? Remember, guys. And here some mini projects also we will do it. So this all comes under the module 3. Module 3, guys. Okay, na? Yes. Next, in module 4, some real-time tools like Postman, GitHub logging related, Jira related, SDLC lifecycle related, Agile, Scrum meetings. So what is going in this Scrum meeting? Like these all things, so real-time related terminologies we will discuss, and we will use in our projects whenever required. Understanding, all the people? So like this, multiple modules wise I'm dividing. So one by one modules wise we will discuss, guys. Okay, na? So here one point, remember, some people can choose only module 1 without module 2 and module 3, like that. Why means after learning this module 1 related, people can select other courses like data science, Azure, DevOps, robotics, machine learning language, data analytics related, okay, statistics related, like that you can choose. But after module 1, if you are choosing this Django related, okay, nothing but module 3, okay, then definitely you need to be learn REST API also. Okay, na? These all things slowly will understanding, don't worry. Yes. Next, so totally duration, guys, to learn these all modules. So 3 months duration required. 3 months duration required, and class timing is 7:30 a.m. to 9 a.m. Okay. So every day, end of the session, I will interact with you. If you are having any doubts, I will clarify that. Okay. So Monday to Saturday sessions there, guys. Monday to Saturday, no Sunday. Okay, after completing some days, if you all people are interested, then Sunday I will take some special classes. Okay, that is not mandatory, based on the students' interest. Got it? So, and most of the times, every Saturday, exams or interview questions, mock interviews like that, we will conduct, guys. Okay, so we will share some online links. In that link, number of questions there, you need to be attend that, and also you will get the exam result. So, entire week, what you are preparing, what you are learning, so related to that one exam conducting. So, how much you are preparing, like you will understand. Got it? So like that every Saturday, guys, without missing, if you are attending the exams and entry questions, all the things. So then within the course, okay, so you will get the job definitely. Definitely you will get job. So many people already got job like that. Okay. Some people after completing the course, then they are starting to learn. Okay. So that is not good. Every day from day one onwards, you need to be start learning. Clear? And also to our institutes, some companies also coming, guys. So we will forward all your resumes. We will take your resumes and we will forward to the companies, and they will conduct the interviews also. Okay, na? So many companies are coming, especially right now related to Java, recently only coming. Okay, some people also hired through our Ashok IT Institute. Okay, na? Yes, and my name is Jayesh Rao, guys. I have the 10 plus years of experience as a web developer, and my teaching experience 8 plus years, guys. 8 years. From last 8 years onwards, I'm teaching. Okay. So my role is web developer, guys. Python web developer. Okay, no? So Java developer there. Okay, .NET developer there. So myself, Python related developer. Okay, na? In this course, guys, every day you will get the live coding. Okay, so not ready-made coding. In class only myself I will type it, and why we are typing every concept, every module I will explain it. Okay, so and also every topic related material I will share to you, and whatever the programs we are doing practice in our class I will share to you, and also every class related video access link will share to you. Okay, and 1 year you can access. Okay, na? This video access link limit is 1 year, guys. After 1 year, so all videos are going to be disabled. Okay, 1 year time is enough, guys, to learn all the course. If you are properly learning, 3 months time enough. Understanding? And cost this entire full stack, guys, 18K, guys, 18K. Okay, so if you want to be if you are joining, you can pay in two terms, guys. First payment 10K, and the second one is 8K. Okay, only if you are choosing module one 8K, guys. Only if you are choosing module one 8K rupees, you need to be paid. Understanding? Okay, and module 2 related web technologies related 4K, and module 3 related Django REST API related 8K. Totally it contains 20K, guys. Okay, so total package if you are joining 18K. Okay, na? And for more information you can contact this admin number, guys. You can contact the Ashok IT admin numbers. Okay, na? And also, guys, again I'm sharing this link in the chat. Okay, so this is a WhatsApp link. Yesterday only some people joined. Okay, so if you are clicking this link, and you can join to the one WhatsApp group. So in that group, every day our class related video links you will get it. Okay, our class related updates you will get it. Okay, na? So please, all people click on this link and you can join to the WhatsApp group. Yesterday class link shared already. Yesterday class link shared in that group already. Understanding? So this is about the course, guys. And anyone having the doubts, end of the session, you can ask your queries related to this course planning. Okay? Yes. So now, guys, here Python full stack means first of all we need to be dividing like this Python full stack like three layers, guys. One is the front end layer, one is the back end layer, and one is database layer, guys. Okay, so three layers wise we are dividing: front end layer, back end layer, and database layer. So today about Python, about Django, and about REST API. Three things, guys. I'll give you overview. Okay, na? So, and next session onwards, from Python onwards, topic wise we will discuss. Okay. So first of all, in this entire full stack, using Python, using Django, using REST API, what we are going to do. Okay, that is we need to be know it, guys. That is we need to be know it. Clear? Okay. So any application you can take it. The three layers there, guys. So one is front end layer, one is back end layer, okay, and one is the database layer, guys. Database layer. Okay, so here presentation logics, we are developing. So presentation logics, if you want to be developing, so we need to be learning about the HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, okay, JS. Simply I'm calling like JS. Using these all things, the presentation logics we can design, guys. And next, this one we can consider like front end. Front end developer. Whom we are calling front end developer? Whom we are calling front end developer means the person who is responsible to developing the presentation logics of our application. Then we can call them as a front end developer of our application. Front-end developer must be required to know about web technologies like HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, Angular, React, like that, guys. Clear? Okay. And front-end develop using the presentation logics, we will take the data from the user and we can submit the data to the server-side logics, guys. Server-side logics. Okay, na? So this front-end simply we are calling client-side logics, guys. Client or else a client app, we can consider client app. Okay, and next here business logics, guys. Business logics, if we want to be developing the business logics, any one language, any one programming language like Python is a language, Java is a language, core Java, and the C# is a language, .NET related C language. Like we have the many languages. So any one language we require to learn and its framework. If you are choosing Python, Python related framework. If you are choosing Java, Java related framework. Clear? So Python and Python related any one framework. We have many frameworks like DJango, Flask, Pyramid, like so many are there. So for example, DJango. Okay. So our application related business logics, if we want to be designed, so we need to be learn any one particular language and its framework. Okay, na? So this is called like server app, server side app. Okay. Backend developer. Whom we are calling backend developer means the person who is responsible to developing the server side logics of our application or business logics of our application is called as a backend developer. Every backend developer responsibility is to learn any one programming language and its framework. Okay, if you are learning many programming languages, no problem, but at least one programming language and its framework, we need to be know it, guys. Clear? Okay. Next, for storage purpose, database logics we need to be designed. Okay, so we have the many databases, for example, MySQL DB or Oracle DB, okay, or MongoDB. Okay, like we have the many DBs, guys. Any one database knowledge we required. Any one database knowledge. Okay, na? So simply we can consider like DB developer. The person who is responsible to write the database logics of our application, then we can call them as the DB developers. Okay. Every database developer must be required to know at least any one database related logics like MySQL, Oracle, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, or SQL Server. Like so many are there. At least one required knowledge. Okay, na? Yes, yes. And next, the person who is responsible to develop presentation logics of our application, business logics of our application, and also database logics of our application, then we can call them as full stack developer, guys. We can call them as full stack developer. Understanding? So whom we are calling full stack developer? It means so the person who is able to developing the presentation logics and business logics and also database logics of our application, then we can call them as a full stack developer. So this full stack developer can handle entire project, either front-end side or server side or database side. All together can handle by full stack developer. That's why nowadays these full stack developers getting more demanding in real-time companies. Full stack developers getting more demanding, guys. Understanding? So if you are becoming like only backend developer, you are able to write only this code. Okay, server side logics of our application. Once backend logics completing, you are unable to do work on this front end side. You are unable to do work on this DB side generally. Okay. If you are a full stack developer, after completing your backend logics code, then you can spend your time on this presentation logic development. Okay. Like that, anywhere you can work it, guys, in entire project. And I have another project here, one more project there. Okay. So this is a Java related project, just assumption. This is a Java related project. So for this Java also presentation there. Myself Python full stack developer here. So Java also having presentation. So I can work on this presentation logics of this Java. Okay, Java backend logics, I don't know. But presentation is common for Java, .NET, or Python anywhere. Understanding? So that's why nowadays the industry people giving more priority to the full stack developer. In your resume, if you are adding full stack developer, then your resume getting more weightage, more priority. Is it clear? So here any language you can choose, guys, Python, Java, .NET, whatever. Okay. So if you are choosing Python, its framework DJango or Flask. We can choose it. Any one framework. Okay. So only Python I want to learn. Later data science or Azure or DevOps or machine learning, if you want to be learn, you can go with that. Okay. Na? So why means nowadays Python is called like a general purpose programming language. Python is a general language nowadays. Okay. To learn multiple courses, guys. Got it? I hope all the people understanding this one. So you can take it Swiggy application, Zomato application, Facebook, YouTube, Amazon, okay, Flipkart. These all applications having front-end logics, okay, presentation logics, and the business logics, database logics, all together there, guys. All together, combinedly there. So that is nothing but full stack application. Clear this one? So in this full stack, in this Python full stack, I will take care about these all things. I will take care about these all things. So finally, by using these all things, so you are able to developing the application. That is, I will take care it. Got it? So first we are going to be focused on this Python related. This Python again we are dividing like two types, na? Core Python, advanced Python. Core Python, advanced Python. Okay, na? So in core Python, all the rules and regulations, fundamentals, all the syntaxes, we are writing coding like all the things we will get it. And in advanced Python, so modules wise, we will discuss chapters wise. Okay. And next, DJango guys. Using the DJango, what we are doing means, so here first of all, DJango is a framework. DJango is a framework. Okay, framework is nothing but a software. By using this software, we can develop in some real-time applications. By using framework, we can develop in some real-time applications. Clear? So this DJango framework is purely designed by Python language only, purely developed by using Python language. It means in Python, how we are writing code in syntaxes, everything, as it is, we are writing in DJango also. And the DJango having its own architecture. By following that architecture, or else according to that Django architecture, we are going to be developing the applications. Okay. So using the Django framework, not only Django guys, any language related, using frameworks, more easily we can develop the applications, real-time applications. Okay. For example, using pure Python 100 lines, if we are writing, using its framework like Django, 50 lines code we can write. Within 15 lines, we can achieve the same logics. Okay, same requirement. So that's why frameworks are getting more demanding nowadays. Okay, Python related, we have the Django Flask framework, and C#.NET related, we have the ASP.NET MVC framework, like many frameworks there, guys. Okay, yes. And I will share you guys some diagrams also, just for understanding related. Later topic wise, whenever we are discussing, so that time you will understanding everything, no problem. See here, so this is the full stack application. Full stack application. So users guys, users will give the data, okay, using the front end development. Front end development. So what is your first name, what is your last name, email, password, confirmation password, like that we are giving and going to click submit button. Okay. So this front end development, if you want to be designed, so you need to be learn these UI technologies. Okay, HTML, CSS, these all things. Just now I explained already. So after submitting, sending this client side data to the server side guys. Okay, this is server side application. So here any one language and its framework we require to know. So here language is Python and framework is Django. Okay, if Java related core Java, JSP there guys. Okay, na? Like that. And this server side application, after receiving this client side data, then storing this data in database for permanent manner. Okay, for the future purpose. So for example, Facebook, you are going to do registration. So people are going to enter data, submitting the data, storing into the database. That is like MySQL or MongoDB, anyone. Okay, later we are going to be login. At the time of login, again we are giving username, password, taking that username, password here, reading and sending to database, available or not checking. If available, successfully going to be login. Otherwise, invalid username, password, error message written back to user. Okay, so these all things coming sessions in our class only we are going to do guys. Okay, so how we are designing this client side development, like registration pages, login pages, contact pages, okay, inquiry forms, like multiple forms we will design in our class only, and we can take the data from user, we can submit the data to server side application, nothing but our Django, Python with Django application. Okay, how we are reading the data, how we are validating the data. For example, password, confirmation password, both are different given. Okay, so both are same or not, we need to be calculate here, we need to be validate here. Okay, if both are same, then we can submit to database for storing. Okay, so these all things practically I will show you in our class only. Clear guys? See here also on YouTube application I given. So user how interacting to YouTube means using the front end. To developing the front end related, these all UI technologies required. Okay, here we are searching for something movie. So those all movies information available in the database. Okay, using our Python with Django, we are sending the query. Okay, query is nothing but request to the database, and we are getting the particular movie, and that movie displaying, user can see that movie. Okay, na? So this is the Python with Django related importance, guys. Okay, na? Next we have the REST API, guys. We have the REST API, na? So after learning Django, guys, people can learn REST API. People can learn REST API. See here, right now Python is there. Here, Python is there. So after learning Python, if you want, you can choose this DJango. So why DJango? If you want to be developing the web applications, okay? So web apps, if you want to be developing, then you can choose the DJango framework. Okay. So I don't want to be develop the web applications. Okay. I want to be becoming like a data engineer, data scientist. Then so data science course there, guys. So data science there. Data science course there. Okay. And machine learning related or else robotics application I want to be design. Then robotics related. Like after learning Python, guys, we have the different courses. We have the different courses, guys. Yeah. Machine learning, statistics, machine learning, like many courses there. Okay. Na? So Python people, all Python people not required to learn Django framework. Okay, only the people who want to developing the web application, they can choose this Django framework. Okay, na? Once if you are learning this Django framework, guys, 100%, 100%, you need to be learn this REST API also. Nothing but Django REST framework, REST API, 100%, guys. Okay, na? See here, 100 people learning is machine learning related, and robotics 100 people learning, and data science also more 100 people, and Django also one more 100 people learning. So right now 4 courses, guys. Okay, 4 into 100, 400. 400 students learning Python. That's why nowadays Python is getting more demanding. Okay. So 400 people learning Python. Out of 400, for example, only 100 people choose Django. Okay, remaining 300 different courses chosen. Now here, how many people are choosing this Django? Those all people 100% are required to choose this REST API. Okay, so many people they don't know awareness of the REST API, importance of the REST API. 100 people if learning Django, so out of 100, 10% or 20%, 20% people learning REST API. So remaining 80%, okay, vacancy there, guys. 80% vacancy there. That's why after Python with Django, you can learn this REST API also, and you can add in your resume REST API. In your resume, if you are adding REST API, then your resume is getting more priority. Okay, companies also giving more priority to you, and lot of interview calls you are getting. Okay, and easily you can crack the job. Is it clear? All the people. So in my Python full stack development, this is our roadmap. Python, Django, REST API, along with web technologies. Okay, for learning this Django related, we required web technologies like HTML, CSS, these all things. Is it clear? And one more thing, using REST API, guys, see here, using REST API, just I'm giving here over you guys. So later onwards, so topic wise, we will discuss. Okay. See, this is our Django application. In our class, we are going to be developing this one using our Django. For example, this is like a Amazon application. You can consider Zomato or whatever. Okay. So this is my web application. Using this web application, we are interacting to this database. So getting all records, creating new record, updating, deleting, like any CRUD operation, creating, updating, reading, deleting related CRUD operations we can performing using our Django. Okay. Now I have a browser guys here. From the browser sending the request, we are getting the response. Okay. Na? So this is we are going to do in our class regularly. So from browser, whenever I'm sending the request, that request receiving by the Django and request sending to the database, getting the performing the actions here and getting the result, nothing but response, sending that response back to the browser here. Okay, na? So other people guys, for example here, Java application people there, Java application people. So Java people, they don't have guys, for Java application, they don't have database. For Java, don't have the database. So for Java application also, I want to be use the same database. The same database I want to be used. Okay. Then it means Java people wants to store here data. Okay. Or else they want to get the data back like that. So that is not possible directly. How it is possible? App-to-app communication means so using the REST API, using REST API possible. So REST API means data using the REST API data is converting in the form of JSON or in the form of XML guys. Okay, na? XML or JSON. So here we are using REST API. That's why only JSON only. REST API is nothing but only JSON here. Okay, na? Yeah. So if any data is available in JSON format, that data can understand by all other languages like Python or Java or .NET. Okay, na? It is a universal language, guys. Universal message format language. So here what is happening means, see, Java person sending the request, guys. Okay, by writing the Java lines of code, they are sending the request. So that request converting in the form of JSON, converting in the form of JSON. How it is converting means Java side microservice developers, web service developers there guys. Web service developers there. So those developers converting their Java request into the JSON format. Okay. Yes. Now we have the JSON format related request. So as a Django developer, as a REST API developer, Django side we are developing the REST API. As a REST API developer, this JSON request we are receiving and converting into our Django format. Okay, our required Python format we are converting. Okay, now our Django sending that request to database, getting response back. Now this JSON, this Django related response again converting into JSON format. Finally, response available in JSON. Now this JSON response receiving by the Java. It means JSON response converting into Java, and Java people can use that response. Understanding, guys? So this is a mediator, guys. Java converting into JSON, JSON converting into Java. That is Java side developer role. JSON request converting into Django, Django response converting into JSON. That is our API developer role, REST API role. .NET request converting into JSON, JSON response converting into .NET. That is web API developers. .NET side web API developers there. Okay. So in all languages side, guys, API developers must be there. So what is the responsibility or what is the role of API developers means receiving the request in the form of JSON, generating the response, giving the response in the form of JSON. Means a JSON request converting into their own language format and giving response into the JSON format. That is the API developer responsibility. Okay. So using our Django REST framework via the JSON only we are communicating. We have some other techniques also. Using XML also we can do. Okay, I will show you all the things practically whenever we started the REST API. Clear? Okay, here one point remember. For my application, I didn't develop a REST API, guys. REST API is not developing. Then only from the browser, here browser is there, guys. Okay, here browser is there. Only from the browser people can send the request, they will get the response directly to this Django. Okay, directly to this Django application. We can interact with this database and performing the actions. But from other application, okay, communication not possible. App to app communications not possible without REST APIs. So if the REST API is not there, then other application people are unable to be interact with our application. Then obviously our application is not getting popularity. If more applications are sending the request to our application, then our application is getting more demanding. If more demanding is there means more popularity will come. If more popularity is there means more profits will come. Okay, more advertisements we can give using our application, then we will get more money, guys. For example, Facebook, number of people are using, lakhs of people are using Facebook. Okay, so that's why Facebook company getting crores of money every day. Clear response? So that's why REST API is very, very important, guys, to make app to app communication. Okay, na? See here, see here. So this is our REST API, guys. REST API. So here multiple applications there, guys. So these all people sending the request, okay, like REST API, guys. Via the REST API interacting to the database, Okay, na? So right now this is my Django. Django project, real-time Django project means REST API with Django combination, guys. REST API with Django is there. Okay. So assumption you are not developing the REST API. You are not developing the REST API. Okay, na? So then what happened? Okay. These all applications people unable to be interact with our application related database. Only from the browser. Here I have a browser, guys. I have a browser. From this browser, people send the request to Django. Now Django interacting to the database. Okay, and sending back to response. Okay, na? Only this communication possible. But from other applications, people are unable to be interact without REST API. So that's why REST API development is very, very important in the real time. Is it clear, all the people? I hope you are understanding total overview. Data storing into the database, and we want to be perform here, getting this fourth record, updating this fourth record, deleting this fourth record. So to do these all actions, SQL queries, database knowledge required. Okay, using our particular language or particular framework, how we are interacting to this database, I will take care of that. And using pure database, guys, for example, MySQL is there. Directly from the MySQL also we can interact to this database. Using our program also or using our project also, we can interact to this database. Okay, na? So to interact with this database to performing the CRUD operation, we have the multiple variations. So directly using the database from database prompts, or else using the projects, we can interact. Okay, many ways I will show you guys coming days. Got it? Yes. So now onwards, so we will start the concepts wise, guys. So right now Python here, why required Python? Why required to choose Python? What is the importance of Python? These all things required. We need to know, guys. Okay. So first of all, I will show you one site. Why required to choose this Python? Okay, na? So here TIOB index there, guys. This is one website. Okay, this website giving ratings to all popular languages, guys. TIOB index, it is giving ratings to all popular languages. Okay, so toppest languages what are there, for every language ratings providing for every 1 month, guys. For every 1 month, one time providing index. Okay, in every 1 month one time providing indexing. Got it? So based on which factors, based on which factors it is providing the ratings to particular language means so every year or every month how many people are choosing this particular language. Okay, how many job vacancies there, how many job opportunities there, particular if we are learning this particular language, and how much salary per average, how much good salary we are getting if we are learning this particular language. Okay, and so many search engines there like Google search engine, Amazon search engine, Wikipedia search engine, Baidu's, like so many search engines there, guys. So, for example, if we are considering top 20 search engines, okay, so about which language most of the people are searching, okay, based on this factor. So, like they are considering multiple factors and providing the ratings to particular language. Okay, na? So this is an international site, guys, providing ratings to languages. Okay, so when you have the free time, if you are reading like this, you will understanding here. Okay, this para, if you are reading second para, you will get it. So this index updated for every month, guys, once in a month. So ratings are based on the different regions. See, number of skilled engineers worldwide, how many people are learning this particular language. Okay, how many companies using this particular language to developing the applications. In every search engines, most of the people using which language, searching for which language. Okay, and salaries getting using which language more, like all the factors they are considering and providing the ratings. Okay, na? See, topest rating is topest rating available to the Python only, guys. Topest rating got to the Python. Okay, previously, guys, 10 years back, Java has more demanding. Java has more demanding. Next, .NET has demanding. Now, Python dominating both Java and .NET. Okay, so C language also evergreen language, guys. From many years onwards, the C language having its boom. Okay, so later Java, after C, Java, .NET people are learning. .NET is nothing but C Sharp. Okay, so nowadays people are more and more people are learning Python related. Okay, na? So 13 rating there, guys. 13 rating there, 13.45 rating there. So C language also almost nearly rating there. Okay, Java rating this one. .NET, C++ this one. .NET very less rating there, guys. Understanding? And this is change growth, guys. Change growth related. C++ having more growth. Recently in this 2023, C++ getting demanding. Okay. These all C++ people are using for developing the microcontrollers related, like chips there, na? In mobile, in laptop, we are developing the chips. So chips related microcontrollers, embedded systems people are using. So for that, C++ people are learning. Okay, na? So nowadays, electronic devices, more and more people are using electronic devices like mobiles, TVs, fridges, like all things. In all electronic devices, chips are there. To developing the chips, microcontroller logics required using C++ people are developing. Okay, na? So here on graph there, guys. See, these are the graphs. So this is the Python graph, guys. This is the Python graph. Okay, na? So in 1991, Python implemented, guys. Okay. So almost 10 years people are not using that Python. So later from 2000 onwards, this Python related implementation started. I mean, using in the real time started. Okay. So like that, day to day improving. In every year, some new modules adding, guys. New concepts, new logics adding, new methods adding. So finally, from 2015 onwards, guys, from 2015 onwards, so this Python getting more demanding. Okay, so day by day, increasing this graph like this. Clear this one? So right now in 2023, guys, so software recession there, guys. Okay, na? So compared to the 2022, 2021, so all companies are hiring somewhat less people right now. Right now, some software pandemic there. Okay, so no problem. Very soon it is going to be resolving. Understanding? So that's why all languages in the recent months fall down little bit. Okay, na? And right now you can see um, here almost 13 rating there, na? So up to 2022, guys, up to 2022, so more than 15 rating only Python language there. More than 15 rating only Python language there. Okay, na? So right now Python also 13.45 rating only there. Okay, na? So next, next here C language related growth. This one, C language. Okay, so 20 years back, topest rating there here, more than 20 rating there C language. So later this Java, .NET, these all getting demanding. So that's why this C language little bit fall down. Okay, na? So Java rating, and from day one onwards up to now, guys, up to now, topest rating getting by got by Java only, guys. Got by Java, 26 rating, guys. Okay, more than 26 rating got by Java in the year 2000. At that time, topest rating Java has, guys. That time every people calling like Java, 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 Java. All people are learning Java, Java, Java. Why means that much demand is there in that time in the year at 2000 nearly. Understanding? So later this Java slowly, so falling down. So right now Python only having demanding. Right now Java rating is 12.22% as of May 2023. Clear this one? So by seeing this one, you can understanding, guys, which language having demanding right now in the market. I hope you are understanding. Okay. Okay. Right now you are choosing the Python related. After Python, its framework you are going to be choosing, like DJango or Flask. Okay. So you can see here top top 10 companies using Django, guys. Okay. Top 10 companies using Django. Okay. So Django top 10 companies, you can consider these all things, guys. Instagram, more popular app, social media related. YouTube, guys, every day without seeing YouTube, our day is not completing. Am I right? Every day we are opening the YouTube and watching some educational videos or some entertainment videos like that. Okay, na? So NASA, science related, scientific related, NASA, Mozilla browser there, guys. Google Chrome browser is there, Mozilla browser is there. Second most largest browser is Mozilla. First one Google Chrome, next Mozilla. So in this Mozilla development also, Python with Django developing. And Bitbucket is there, guys. Lakhs of people are using every day Bitbucket also. Okay. So GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, like these all things are SVM tools, guys. Okay. Source code management tools. Source code management tools. It means in one project, if many people are working, so here user one is there, user two is there, user three, four. Okay, like four people are working on one project. So all people interacting to this project, and they will exchange their data. Okay, bi-directional, guys. Okay, this is working like a bi-directional. So it means, for example, user one, if I'm taking their code pushing to here, okay, sending to here, and here whatever the latest code is there, pulling back, nothing but getting back. Like that, all the people completely communicating to this repository. This is nothing but GitHub, guys, or Bitbucket, GitLab, like that. Okay, na? These all things later I will show you in the real time how people are exchanging their code. Right now, work from home, lot of people are doing. One person staying in Hyderabad, one person staying in Bangalore, okay, one person staying in Chennai, but all together working on single project. How they are exchanging their code. These all things I will show you practically. Okay, na? Eventbrite, like so many are there. If you are clicking this one, you will get a diagrammatically also, guys. These all things. Okay. So here I will share you documentation also. So discuss so 500 million people using, guys, this site, discuss related and YouTube related. Every day YouTube, lakhs of people, not lakhs of crores of people are using YouTube every day. Okay. So in YouTube, whenever we are searching for particular movie or particular educational information, so immediately we are getting response. Okay. So that is because of this Python and Django performance increasing more and more. So YouTube people, guys, initially they used PHP. Initial days they used PHP. Okay. In PHP, Cake PHP is a language. Cake PHP is the framework. PHP and Cake PHP they used. But day by day, people are using more and more this YouTube. So getting performance problem, guys. So that's why they change it to Python and its framework DJango. Okay. So after using the DJango, guys, so getting performance more, guys. So when we are searching for something, immediately we are getting a quick response, guys. Okay. So quick response we are getting. That's why this YouTube getting demanding nowadays. And also Instagram. So this is a social media app. Na? So here every day people are posting some images, commenting, likes, clicking. Okay. See here 95 million photos every day. Okay. Every day users adding 95 million photos and 4.2 billion likes. For example, if I'm adding one image, okay, one photo, then all my friends clicking like button. Okay, so every day 4.2 billion likes people are clicking. Okay, so these all things are handling in the database, all getting a problem, guys, using the other languages. Okay, na? So that's why this Instagram people using Python with Django, Python with Django, guys. So if you are using a Django, scalability of the application increasing. What is scalability? These all things I will tell you later slowly. Scalability of the application increasing. It means lakhs of requests at a time we can send and lakhs of responses at a time we can get. Okay. So that is the scalability. Got it? And here Spotify, this is also music related app. In this Spotify, music, use music available, guys. So whatever we want, we can access and we can listen. Okay. So here also Python and Django using Python and Django and Bitbucket. This is source coding management related. Okay. GitHub, Bitbucket, these all things are designed by using the Python with Django, guys. Okay. Na? So in the real-time companies, guys, real-time projects without using GitHub or Bitbucket or BitLab, people are not developing. Okay, so 100% using real-time. This Bitbucket, these all things. These are some real-time tools, guys. Later we will discuss about these tools. Okay, so see here, 17 million requests. Okay, every day people are sending using this Bitbucket. So 17 million requests means performance is required more and more. So that is using Django framework with Python possible there. Okay, na? So I'm giving just to all you guys. Later when we started about the Django for discussion, that time more clearly I will give you. Okay, na? Right now, why required to learn Python with Django? That is my intention only. Okay, Dropbox there, Dropbox. So here this is the online cloud platform, guys. This Dropbox is a online cloud based storage. Okay, so in cloud we can store the our file documents, videos, pictures, okay, graphs and so on. These all things we can store in online cloud. Later using our mobile or using our laptop, from anywhere we can access using this cloud storage. Okay, so that's why for this also people are using Python with Django. So Guido van Rossum is the author of our Python, guys. Guido van Rossum is the author of our Python. Okay, Python designed by this person. And this Dropbox company people hired this Guido van Rossum, and under the guidance of this person, so they developed this Dropbox. You know, and Mozilla browser, guys. Initial days they used PHP plus Cake PHP. Cake PHP is the framework of PHP language. They used initially this one PHP language and Cake PHP framework. So that time they got a lot of problems, performance related problems, scalability problems. So they faced, guys. when day by day increasing tropic means lack of people are using day by day. Okay, so that's why those all requests are handling getting some problem, guys. So that's why they changed this PHP and cake PHP to Python with Django. So later they got a lot of relief. Okay, and they increased this application performance increasing, scalability increasing, all are achieving by Python with Django, guys. Okay, na? So olden days, a lot of applications are designed by PHP or Java or .NET. Nowadays, guys, slowly, all applications are turning into Python with Django. So that much demanding is there, guys. So if you are checking like these all things, guys, so you will get that information. And starting, you can see here. See, guys, see here. Okay, this point. In the year May 2019, guys, right now 2023. Okay, so up to the year May 2019, in entire world, more than 77,000 websites designed by using Python with Django, guys. Using Python with Django, more than 77,000 of websites designed by using Django as of May 2019. So right now 20, 21, 22, 23 year running. It means so more than lakhs of websites designed, more than lakhs. Okay, lakhs of websites that right now designed by Python with a Django framework. So that much demand is there. I hope you are understanding. Okay, na? So for example, toppest websites, these things, toppest sites, these things. Like this, number of websites designed more than lakhs, more than lakhs. Okay, yes. So one point, remember, guys, all the people. So you are belongs to computer science background or not, that is not a matter. Anybody can learn Python language and you can crack your interviews easily without any programming knowledge. So right now you can start your career, no problem. You can learn now from now onwards day to day. Okay, some people are thinking like myself. I completed my BTech with mechanical background, with civil background, with electrical background. Am I able to learn this Python like that? So no doubt at all, 100% you can learn this Python without any programming background. If you want to be learn Java, something C language required, okay, to understand more easily. But for Python, not required like that. Directly you can join Python, you can learn it. Okay, na? So degree people can learn, MBA people can learn, BTech people can learn, MCA people can learn. Okay, so your education background, any kind of thing, no problem. So you need to put more concentration. You need to be learn more practice. You need to be read and you need to do practice more and more. That's enough. 3 months time if you are spending, then definitely you will crack job. Okay, na? So I saw, guys, many people after completing their education, immediately they joined some jobs like data entries related or BPO side related. Okay, telephonic calls they are talking in companies. So 10,000 money they are paying, guys. Their salary 10,000 rupees for every month. So immediately they joined after completing education and they are thinking like happy. Yes, I'm earning 10,000 rupees right now. But after 3-4 years working, also you are getting a maximum 12K or 14K. You are joined for 10K, and after 3-4 years working, you may get 3 or 4K additionally. Understanding? So after 5 years, maximum you are getting less than 20K only. So that time you are thinking about your marriage plannings or home buying or car buying, like something. Okay, your requirements there, guys. Family needs there. So that 20,000 not sufficient. So that time, so many people thinking about languages, programming languages. Yes, I need to learn something language. I need to get software job. Then I will earn more money like that. So many people, the people who worked already 5 years or more than 5 years, in data entry side or BPO side. They resigned their job and they came to here and learning Python, and they got job and getting lakhs of money every month, especially in this lockdown period. So 1 lakh salary not a matter. Okay, na? Previously 50,000 means oh my God, this person getting 50,000 rupees, like people thinking. But nowadays 1 lakh also not a matter. That much demand there after lockdown. Clear? So that's why people learning this Python and easily they are getting the jobs, guys. Okay, so these all things overview about our course, guys. So now onwards, we will start discussion related to topic wise, guys. So again and again, I'm not going to tell all this discussion overview. Okay, so only topic wise we will discuss. So here in this Python, why Python? Some major points you need to get, guys. So use of Python and using Python, what kind of applications we are developing, applications of Python. Okay, and after getting these all things, guys, so using Python softwares we are developing. So first of all, basic thing, guys, what is program? I'm developing programs. People are calling. What is program? Then they are unable to tell. So that is not a good. Okay, what is program? What is software? All are basic fundamentals, guys. Once if we are getting these all things clarification, then later we will start the programmatically. Okay, what is program? What is software? What is the use of software? And use of it. Software. Okay, so these points we need to get first of all, guys. Once understanding this, next introduction about the Python, who designed, okay, when designed, and the versions of the Python, like these all things, guys, we can get it. Introduction of Python. Next versions of Python. Okay, na? So like many things, points wise, guys, we will discuss, and every topic related material I will share to you. So you need to get the reading only. Okay, na? So first of all, what is program? We will discuss this point. What is program? A program is a set of instructions. A program is a set of instructions. Okay, what is set of instruction? What is first of all instruction? Instruction is nothing but one rule, guys. Instruction is nothing but one rule, one information passing to computer. Okay, programs we are writing in computers. So set of rules we are passing to the program. I mean, we are passing to the computer. Okay, set of rules we are passing to the computer according to these instructions. So computer will execute and performing something. Understanding? So the set of instructions, are called as program. For example, I want to do the addition program, guys. I want to do the addition program. So addition related, guys. Addition program. In Python, every program having extension with .py, guys. Addition.py. If it is a Java, addition.java. If it is HTML, addition.html. Like that, their extension. In Python, we have the extension with .py. Any file name with .py extension is there, that is considered like a Python file, guys. Python file. So I want to do here addition, guys. I want to take the two numbers. Okay. So forget about coding related, just assumption. So A equal to 10. Next, B equal to 20. Okay. Next, C equal to A plus B. Means A value, B value, adding and storing into the C. Next, I want to be print, guys. Print this C. Okay, this is the program. This is the program, guys. So here 10 value storing into a variable, storing into a variable. Okay, later how storing these all things uh, concepts wise I will explaining. Right now just assumption. 20 value storing into b variable. It means in the Python memory allocation like this storing is 10 value. This is one memory. So that is represented by variable a. Okay. Next 20 value represented by b. Okay, like that memory is created in the Python memory. These all memories related everything later we will discuss. Next here in this third instruction, what is happening? A memory related value plus B memory related value adding. Plus means addition, guys. Okay, A value, B value, 10 plus 20, 30. That 30 result we are storing into the C variable. Okay, C variable, guys. Nothing but here what is happening? 30. So storing and represented by C variable. Okay. Now next instruction is what? Print C. Print function is used to print something data on console. Whatever here is there, that is printing on the console as output. Okay. So right now C I used because of this identifying this memory. In this memory, whatever the value is there, 30. That 30 value printing here. So that's why finally 30 result we are getting. 30 result we are getting. Okay. So here every line is one instruction, guys. This is one instruction. Store the 10 value into a variable. Store the 20 value into a b variable. Now a variable value, b variable value, add or subtract or multiply. That is the information, guys. Here addition we performed and again store into C. Next print. Like every line having one instruction. That instruction passing to the computer, executing, and finally result giving. This is called program. Okay. So every line is called a statement or instruction. According to instruction, computer will work. Is it clear? Yes. Now, what is software? I said, na? What is software? Software is nothing but a set of programs or group of programs. Group of lines code is nothing but program. Group of programs are nothing but software. Okay, na? The set of programs, guys. Set of programs are called as software. Set of programs are called as software. For example, calculator, calculator software, guys. Calculator software, you can take it. So in this calculator software, what are there, guys? In this calculator software, addition programming, subtraction programming, multiplication programming, division programming, like all combination there. Okay, na? So this is what addition related. So same like this, many there, guys. For example, okay, I will post here. So this is addition related. Same like here, subtraction. One more thing, multiplication. One more thing, division related there. Okay, all together maintaining in one file, guys. Okay, na? So this is I'm considering like calculator.py, calculator.py. Okay. So in this calculator, using this one, addition will performing two numbers related addition. Here, two numbers related subtraction, multiplication, division will perform. So this is nothing but software. This is nothing but software, calculator software. Understanding? Later, I will show you programmatically how we are designing this calculator software with a UI with backend. So in the UI, all numbers there, 1, 2, 3, like that. So whatever the numbers you are clicking, whatever the operator you are clicking, that action performing. Calculator software, I will show you guys practically how people are designing in the real time. Got it? Yes. So group of programs are called as software. Every software having its own purpose, guys. Its own meaning. Calculator software will calculating the operation, calculations, guys, using some numbers, arithmetic, divisions, multiplications like that. Some mathematical operations will performing by calculator. Okay. So different software there, different actions performing. Yes. So what is the use of that software means? Using the software, one electronic device will interact to the other electronic device. Okay. Using softwares nowadays, one electronic device will interact to the other electronic device to performing something action, and also softwares making human being lives more easy. Softwares making human being lives more easy, guys. Okay, reducing the burden on human being lives. For example, if you are taking this calculator only, for example, I want to be multiply these the two numbers, guys. Okay, I want to be multiply these two numbers. Is it possible immediately? Olden days, people are taking pen and paper, and with each number, guys, these all numbers multiplying. Okay, so one big calculation performing here. Finally, we are getting the result here. Okay, by spending minimum 3 or 4 minutes of time, we can find the result. But nowadays, simply we are opening the calculators. Nowadays, all people are using mobile. In mobile calculator app there. So just opening that app and entering numbers and getting result. That is software. So software saving lot of time, guys, in human being life. Okay, to performing something actions. So without the software, we can't imagine right now our life, guys. Okay, this is a software trending technology. Understanding? Yes. And if anyone asking us what is program, what is software, you need to be tell those two things. Okay. And what is Python? So Python is a programming language, guys. Python is a programming language. Using this programming language, we can developing the applications like so many applications there, like data science application, machine learning application, deep learning application, robotics related, Azure related, okay, web applications related, like a number of applications. There is different varieties of applications we can design. That is Python related, guys. Okay, na? So why means to developing the applications more easily compared to the other languages, we can choose the Python. And also nowadays Python is also called as a general purpose programming language. That's why people are learning this Python. Okay, so Python having some features, guys. Python is easy, Python is simple, Python is open source, like that. Many features there. I will tell one by one. Every feature I will tell next session onwards. Just I'm giving overview only today. Okay. So tomorrow onwards, Python onwards, we will start the concept wise, guys. So everything, okay. Why Python, features of Python, where we are using Python, what kind of applications we are using. So one by one, coding wise, I mean, like this, by typing everything, I will show you. Okay. And this kind of basic programs also, practically coding wise, I will show you tomorrow. I will develop, I will execute, I will show you output on Python console, guys. Okay, na? So how we are writing, why we are writing, these all things forget right now. Later I will tell rules and regulations. What is this, and what is this. These all things are rules important. So slowly you will get it, guys. Okay, na? So, and also I said, guys, in the chat box, I said WhatsApp link. Please click on that link and you will be joined into the WhatsApp group. Then you will get this previous session video link and today's session video link. Okay. And later sessions, whenever I'm sharing the material, you will receive that material also. You will receive that material also, guys. Clear is one? Yes. All people click on this link. Then only you will get updates. Yes, I will stop now here this session. You can ask me your queries. Thank you. Yes, you can ask your queries if anyone having.
Hello.
Yes, yes, go ahead.
Can you share WhatsApp group link once again? I lost that.
Yes, yes. In the charting there, yes, now I said, did you received?
Yes.
So yesterday video link also already uploaded, guys, in that group. Today one also you will get it, and I will share if possible top eight companies in industry. Okay, which companies using Python with Django? Using Python with Django, what are the applications designing this related material? Also, I will upload it for just overview purpose. So tomorrow onwards, from Python onwards, I will start the discussion. Okay, na? Initially, little bit slowly we will start. Then later, procedure wise, I will explaining, guys. Oh, don't worry. Everything I will take care of it. And yesterday I opened some applications also. What kind of applications we are going to design in this session, like that. Only just some applications only I opened yesterday. Like this, many applications we will design. Database related MySQL we will design majorly, and MongoDB also more trending DB nowadays. So that's why I will tell about that one also. The people who are learning Java side people learning Oracle, guys. .NET who are learning, they will learn about SQL Server DB. The people who are learning Python related MySQL learning. And also if you are following any YouTube tutorials or Google tutorials, so Python with MySQL only teaching. Okay, that is in institutes or in websites also following people like that. But in the real time, any database you can use it. How we can use other database, these all things I will take care coming sessions.
Hello, sir.
Yes, tell me.
Which setup we need to install for the Python hands-on practice?
You are asking
For
about
the
IDEs?
Python installation, setup installation,
Yes, yes, yes,
which we
yes.
need.
That is the software is there. Next coming sessions, I will show you. For example, meanwhile, right now only if you want to be download and install, simply python.org. This is the official website, python.org. Okay, here downloads there. If you are clicking that downloads, latest version showing here, latest version. As a student, you can download latest version, no problem. Okay. So one point remember, in industry, in real-time companies, always people are not using latest version. Why means some dependency problems there. I will tell you those all things coming session. So as a student, no problem, you can download this latest version. No, sir, I want some old version. If you are thinking, then go down here. Okay, here all old versions there. So which version you want, you can click on there. Okay, you will get it that particular version. Understanding? So real time
Yeah.
3.7 using and 3.9 using. So right now, presently 3.11 also using, and myself 3.11 I will teach you. This latest version only I will teach you. Okay, na? So simply can click here, one exe file, executable file will download, and by double clicking that, next, like you can follow, you will get all the information how to installing. So no problem. I will show you everything. I will share you screens also how to installing. For example, here
Okay. Thank you.
Python
Yeah.
installation, Python installation. Just I'm clicking like that. You can open something else. Okay, so many sites there. You can open here all the things, how downloading, how installing, like everything you will get it screens wise. Okay, na?
Yeah. Thank you.
Yes. After installing some real-time tools, we are installing for developing code. For example, this is a Notepad, Notepad plus plus. This one, Notepad plus plus, Edit plus, Notepad, IDLE, PyCharm, Visual Studio Code, Eclipse, NetBeans. So like so many are there. Okay, editors and IDEs are there. which one using real time, what are the real time IDs, all the things I will explaining. I will show you how downloading, how installing, and using that particular ID, how we are developing. Everything myself I will take care. Just wait few more days, 1-2 days. Yes, anyone?
Sir, as a fresher, is it enough to learn only module 1 or else we have to learn total full stack?
After learning module 1, if you want to be becoming like a web developer, module 2 also required. I mean, remaining modules also required. Python with data science I want to go, then you can choose other data course. DevOps you can choose, that is a different perspective. Okay, only with module 1, so that is not good. You need to add other one, anyone, web development related or data science related or Azure related or DevOps related, like that. But that too, Azure, DevOps, AWS, these all things are for experienced people required. Okay, na? So as a fresher, along with Python, DJango, if you are adding, that's more easy. And as a fresher also, you will get more calls. Clear?
Yes.
Experienced people, the people who want to put experience 3 years, 4 years, like that. Python with Azure, Python with DevOps, Python with AWS, like people choosing, they will get more calls and more jobs also there.
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yes, good morning.
Sir, can you tell me that tools are related to Python or that is different? Means you will teach that is related to Python or different topic that is?
Real-time tools.
Right,
So
sir.
yes, these real-time tools are related to all the technologies. Okay, when we are working in the real-time companies, SDLC lifecycle following, Jira following, Agile following, you are belong to Java or .NET or Python, not a matter. Okay, all the real-time company people require to know about these technologies. Okay, so for example, one project there, multiple employees there. So people are working with Java. Okay, so they are using GitHub. People are working with Python using GitHub only. People are working with .NET using GitHub only. So how installing Git software, how creating GitHub account, and how we are interacting each other, like these all things required to know every developer.
Sir, can you once again tell me about the fees of Python and DJango?
Yes. So totally course duration 3 months, I said. Okay. So here dividing like modules wise. Okay, na?
Okay, sir.
Here I will show you. So totally 18K cost. 18K cost. 3 months time we are spending. Okay. 2 installments you can pay. Starting first installments 10K and next 8K you can pay it. Understanding?
Okay, sir.
If you are paying totally at a time, and the admin, okay, they will tell you about the structure. Okay, na? Any I mean, reducing money, I don't know exactly, that is related to totally admin related. Okay, so you can contact the admin. I said already admin number also. Module 1 Python related, core Python, advanced Python, with database related, that is 8K. Okay, na? 8K rupees.
Okay, sir.
Module 1. And module 2 web technologies, like here HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, JavaScript, I'll take care here. Okay, that is the 4K related. And module 3 Django framework and REST framework. Okay, combination 8K. So here only real-time tools also covering all the things.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Okay.
If I don't want to learn that web technologies, then I will contact to admin team.
This one you can ask.
Okay, okay. Only Python and DJango, sir.
Okay, no problem. Python and DJango.
Yes, sir.
If you are taking this DJango, okay. So here in this DJango, web technology is also required. Without web technologies, we are not developing DJango. Okay. Why means here, just I will show you one small image. This one, not this. See here. So this is the web technologies related. Okay, na? Here using Django, Python with Django, we are developing server side application, client side application using web technologies. So right now registration logics I'm developing here. Registration logics. Using these logics, we are storing data into DB. we are getting confirmation back. Okay, that's enough. So if we are not learning web technologies, we are unable to read the data from user, unable to submit data to server. So that's why in our class only, front end also myself need to tell, myself developing this registration page, login page, contact page, feedback forms related, and we are submitting data, we are reading the data here, like all together. So that's why at the time of learning Django, so before that you need to be know about web technologies also.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay, no? So if you are not joining separately this one, no problem. In this Django, myself, I will give you some major topics what are required to designing the forms like registration, logins, logouts, all the things. So I will take care here.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Yeah. Any other?
And the entire course will be delivered by online, right?
Yes, yes. Right now this batch entire online only,
Okay,
no
thank you.
offline. Okay.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Hello.
Yes. Yeah. Go ahead.
Yeah, actually you shared a WhatsApp group link, right? I didn't get that.
Okay.
It's only showing direct message.
Wait. Now I selected everyone. You can see, guys.
Yeah, now I got it.
And this is direct admin number.
You paste. You just send that.
Yes, this is the contact number.
Hmm.
WhatsApp, you can contact, you can chat, you can ask your queries, whatever you have. Or else you can ask me here also. So 2 sessions, totally overview I given, guys. And totally these all modules myself only take caring. No other faculties will join in middle. Okay, na? And the 2 morning session right now planned. Okay.
So when will this course will getting to start?
What is?
When will this course will going to be start?
Yeah, from tomorrow onwards, the concepts wise will start. So tomorrow about Python, day 1 class started. Will start. Got it? These 2 days, totally what we are going to learn, what is the duration, what is the files you are going to get, how you are going to get, like all the information I said. So next session from starting onwards, so topic wise we will discuss. So first module is Python, that to core Python. So first, who introduced, when introduced, what are the versions there? Python multiple versions there, guys. So which version, latest version is there? Real time, which versions people are using? Like general discussion we will do, and later who is the author of this Python? Like all the information I will give you, and after that features of Python, and later installation of the Python. Okay, these all are basic fundamentals. Once Python installation completing, then programmatically I will show you one method explaining, that method related programmatically showing outputs. Clear this one?
Okay.
I said after installing Python, after installing Python like that, you will get some default IDs. If you don't want the default IDs, we can use some other IDs also. For example, this is ID, guys. Okay. A equal to 10. I stored value. I want to be print this A value. Then we will get the output here. Got it? So here multiple testings I will show you. So this A value is what? Integer. I want to know what is the type of A value. So type method is there. So type is integer type, like we are getting. If it is float value, then float type we are getting. If it is a string value, then the string type we are getting. So like that, a lot of methods there. Regularly we are using real time and course learning time also. So slowly we will start all the things. Yes. Any other?
Hello.
Yes. Tell me.
Yeah, I joined WhatsApp group today. how I can get the previous session?
Link. Yes, yes. Today also we'll share yesterday class link and today class link both.
Okay.
You know?
Hmm.
So right now, after closing this recording in Google, in cloud platform, record will store. Once completing storing, it will take a few minutes, okay, for uploading into the cloud.
Hmm.
After that, we'll share into the group.
Okay.
Okay. After class closing, immediately not coming, guys. It take some time. Yes, Sandeep, you're asking about the Django and Flask, which one is better? Okay, na? So yes, obviously Django only better one. I'll tell you that all the things clearly. Okay. So actually today I give an overview only. Whenever we are going to start about the discussing about the Django, that time why Django, why not Flask? All the things I will share you. Nowadays in the industry, Flask also people are using, but compared to the Flask, most of the people are using Django. Simply one point, 80% of the people out of 100, 80% or more than 80% of the companies using Django, only few companies using the Flask. That's why people are giving high priority to this Django framework. Is it clear? That is only one point only I given right now. So Python with Django, and later you have the time, you can learn Flask also. All you can add into your resume, then more priority will come to your resume. Okay. Once learning Django, Flask automatically easily you can learn by yourself only. I'll give you the guidelines also, how installing the Flask and how we are creating the basic programs using Flask. I will tell you at the time of learning Django. Okay, na? For example, Java people, the people who are learning Java like core Java, advanced Java, later they are learning frameworks like JSP related and Spring related, Spring Boot related, okay, Hibernate framework learning, like multiple frameworks people are learning. Same like in our Python also, along with Django, you can also learn Flask, but at least we need to learn Django. Yes, anyone? Any other queries?
Sir, after completing the total course, we'll do 3 live projects, right?
Yes, yes, yes. So those are mini projects, madam. Mini
Yeah.
projects. Okay, na?
Okay.
Always remember 100%, not only me, anybody. Okay, live projects not possible to teach on the class. Okay, na? So there in the real time, many people are sitting together, working, developing. Somebody working in backend, somebody working in front end, somebody working in database side, somebody working in server side, like that. Many people are there. Okay, so those kind of projects not possible here, but related to that, some mini projects we will do here. Like 2-3 mini projects, if you are doing like that, you will get confident how we are able to developing coding, how we are handling all these authentications, how we are designing the menus. Okay, GUI menus means user interaction related graphical menus, how we are designing after clicking particular menu, how performing backside action, backend side action, like all you will get it knowledge. Okay, and right now nowadays when we are doing the registrations to our mobile or to our mail, OTPs we are getting OTP. Okay, so by entering that OTP only we can make it our registration, or we can make it our login related. So how we can send the registration OTPs to mail or to our mobile, these all kind of things I will show you in one time. If you are learning like that, next time wherever you want, in which program you want, there you can use same logics. Sandeep, you're asking about internal topics related to every module. Okay, in our Ashok website, so there is all the topics. Okay, you can check there, and also I will share you. Tomorrow I will show you. Right now time also not sufficient. For example, like this, there many topics, Python related. Okay, so who can learn Python? Advantages of learning Python. Okay, what is the demand of Python in industry right now? History. History means when designed, who designed, why designed, like that. Futures. Okay, na? Later installation. In this particular language, what are the keywords? There, every keyword related. We will discuss. Every keyword having its own meaning. First of all, what is keyword? Like all the things I will show you. Next, in every language, comment section there. So in Python, how we are commenting. In HTML, how we are commenting. In Java, how we are commenting. What is the use of comments? Okay, and quotes, how we are using different types of quotes like single quotes, double quotes. Okay, indentation rules there, like so many topics there, guys. Yeah, dynamically typed data types related, cascading types. What is cascading? Right now you don't know. Whenever I'm starting the particular topic, I will explaining about that more clearly. Okay, na? So about this thing, about the list, these all are data types. Okay, tuple, set, dictionary, packing, unpacking, control statements like if, else related. Okay, I mean control statements nothing but three types there: conditional, iterative statements, transfer statements. Iterative means for loop, while loop. Conditional means if, else related. Like many there, guys. Topic wise we will discuss. File handling related, comprehension related, exceptions related. Okay, predefined exception, user defined exception, iterators, generators, decorators. These all are real time, very very important. Okay, regular expression, OOPS concept. Again, in OOPS concept, many topics there: inheritance, polymorphism, encapsulation, abstraction. Just I given only major topic name only. Okay, in that subtopics, number of there. Okay, na? OOPS principles there. I given only major topic name only. So database connections with MySQL and MongoDB. Okay, like many things there. And modules like math module, datetime, calendar, RE module, OS module, NumPy, pandas. Only some modules names are given. Okay, request module, JSON module. Like we will discuss this all. DJango framework related here, there. Architecture, installation, all the things. Okay, na? And I said already, every weekend Saturday, so we are planning to conduct exams. Okay, not this Saturday, next Saturday onwards. Okay, we are in the initial days now. That's why this Saturday no exams. Next Saturday onwards you will get it. HTML related. So images, tables, links, order list, unorder list, HTML forms like registration, logins, contact form. These all kind of things how we are designing. Okay, CSS related rules and regulations, bootstrap, all the things here there, guys. Okay, na? Again here the assignments related, objective type questions, and the task based questions, Django framework related some task I will say to you. Okay, UI related, like giving. Clear?
Yes. Hello.
Yes, yes.
Are you going to share any PDF kind of document?
Related to this.
Notes.
Yeah, definitely. I said already, every day you will get it a material.
Okay. Could you please share once again?
See this,
Yeah.
you know,
Yeah.
sharing programs. So whatever the programs we are doing, for example, this is one program. Okay. Don't worry, by seeing many lines of code, later I'll take that. So after completing this program, this entire program, I will create like a zip file, I will share to you. Okay, after unzipping, you will get it all the files. Later, I will give you procedure, okay, every day. According to that procedure, you will open the every file and you can see the code. Same time, in your laptop, you need to do the practice. When you are getting any problem while doing practice, just for reference purpose, I'm sharing my programs. Okay, na? And in that WhatsApp group, when you are getting problems also, you can post there. Okay, other friends like you, others also there, na? If they may get solution perfectly, they will give you solution, or else myself also will give you solution. Myself also there.
Okay.
Okay, na? Yes. Okay, guys. Yes, tomorrow I will share it, Sandeep. Okay, right now time also over. So I having other sessions. So I hope all the people completing doubts. So this topic related PDF, all things I will share to you tomorrow. And also we have the official site Ashok IT. In this website also you will get it about the course content, all the things, guys. Okay. So when you have the free time, go through this one about the new batches, all you will get it. So right now, these are the new classes, they are coming sessions. Okay, na? So when we are coming to this Python related, there you will get it. Slowly, you need to be developed like these applications, guys. Here somewhere is there, guys. Okay, later I'll share. Tomorrow I'll share it. No problem. So here questions there, interview questions there. When you are clicking there, okay. For student reference, we will add here, guys. Java related top 50, 100 questions like that. Okay, Python related also adding. Slowly you will get it, no problem. Yeah. Thank you, guys. See you tomorrow.